Let me break this setup down technically. I am not starting from the entry. I am starting from structure. On the left side of the chart, price gives the first strong impulse move. That impulse tells me momentum has shifted. After that, I want to see if the market can continue printing bearish structure. The important clue is the lower high and lower low sequence. Once price creates that lower high and starts trading back below the previous reaction area, the chart is no longer random. Now I have structure. Today, I am breaking down this technical AOC rejection setup using market structure, price action, support and resistance, area of confluence, confirmation, invalidation, and risk management. This is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. The mistake traders make here is simple. They enter the pullback before checking the lower high, lower low, AOC, confirmation, and invalidation. They look at the pullback and think price is reversing. But technically, the pullback is moving back into a decision zone. The key BYBT zone on this chart is the BYBT area of confluence where previous support turns into resistance and lines up with the lower high. This zone matters because it lines up with the previous reaction area, the lower high, and the area where price should reject if sellers are still defending structure. That is why I call it an area of confluence. I do not sell just because price touches the zone. The touch only tells me price has reached the area. Confirmation tells me whether the area is being respected. For this setup, the confirmation is price retests the AOC, fails to hold above it, and rejects back in the planned direction. Once price reacts from the AOC and fails to hold above it, the technical idea becomes cleaner. Now I can define the trade properly. Entry is around the rejection area. The stop loss belongs above the zone, because if price breaks and holds above that area, sellers are no longer defending the level. Invalidation is this. If price breaks and holds above the AOC and the lower high, the sell idea is invalid. That means I do not keep selling just because I want the setup to work. If invalidation happens, the technical read has changed. The target is the previous low and the next logical support level. That target makes sense because price is moving from one important level toward the next important level. So the full BYBT model is this. First, identify the impulse leg. Second, confirm lower high and lower low structure. Third, mark the AOC where support turns into resistance. Fourth, wait for the pullback into that zone. Fifth, wait for rejection and confirmation. Sixth, define stop loss, invalidation, and target before entry. That is the technical process. No chasing. No random entry. No guessing from one candle. The structure, zone, confirmation, and risk. If you want to learn the full BYBT strategy, check the one-on-one private mentorship link in the description. You can also get the BYBT trading ebook on our website at forexhash.com. Follow for more technical analysis, market structure, and price action trading breakdowns.